How to clear search suggestions on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type Instagram. Now once you done Now once you are done with that, simply tap on the search icon. Now tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom of your screen. Now simply tap on the source bar. Now if you want to clear suggestions, simply tap on see all. Now at the top right corner you will find an option for clear all. Simply tap on it. Now tap on clear all. Now that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.